What's good? It's your boy Chevy. We are back with another video. What I got popping for you today, bro, I've been sitting on this part for weeks. And when I say weeks, I really mean months. Your boy is getting this installed, and this is going to be the start of the color scheme for the car. Now, if you guys don't know, I like a color scheme on my cars. It's got to have something that's clean, efficient, it looks good, it matches what the car's got going. You guys know what I mean, honestly, when I'm talking about this. You know, if you got something that's black, you might want to do black and red. You might want to do black and blue. You obviously don't do like some crazy weird color unless that's something that you're into. And I'm going to show you guys what the color scheme is rocking for this car this season, what we're doing this year. Oh, it's going to look so good. And honestly, it's going to be a simple mod for this first one. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And for you guys who are new here, this is my 440. And honestly, I haven't been modifying it lately. It's been so cold with winter, but now winter is starting to have a break. And now it's time to start modifying this car up a bit. And yeah, enough talking. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. It's going to be these right here. Now, these are V-brace covers. And what these covers do is they go over our V-braces on the car in the front end. And so when you first see the car, the first thing you're going to see is those headlights, that black from the grille and the front lip. Then you're going to see these, right? These things might pop out at you even first because they're such a crazy color, right? It's orange. It took me a minute to find some orange ones in the right kind of orange, if you guys know what I'm talking about, right? You don't want to overdo it, overpower it, but that's going to show you guys what I'm trying to do for my color scheme for the car. Now let's dive in closer to the car and let me tell you why I'm going with the orange. Now, looking at the car, first off, this thing is super dirty. I got to get this thing cleaned up, but we got a gray outside metallic color on the car. We got the black front lip. This is going to go behind the grills right there. It's going to look super clean. Calipers this season, I want to go orange on them, right? This thing being orange will look so fire. Along with the peanut butter interior, bro, you can't go wrong. And that's the main reason I'm going with orange for the color scheme. It's going to match great with the peanut butter interior, with the calipers once that's set up, and then the V-brace covers, right? We're not going to overdo it, not overpowering it, but it's sort of like a homage to, I think it's the M4 CS. You know, if you guys know what I'm talking about, those F82s, bro, where it's got that gray with the orange, bro, that shit looks so clean with the roll cage in the back. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So anyways, let's get this installed and I'll walk you guys through that. Awesome. Now, the first thing we got to do is we got to take this piece off of here, right? This rubber piece pretty much just slides out of here. Perfect. I'm just going to lay that down up here so we don't forget it. And then we got a couple little bolts here, right? So one here, 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 and one there. So this guy and the one on the far side over there are smaller. They're T25s. One there. One there. And these ones are a little bit bigger. They're T30s. All right, so once those are removed, this front end actually bends out just a little bit. And this is actually how you get to these front grill pieces. Let's try to remove these grill pieces now and then see if we can slide this in here. Now on the back side of the grills, they have little clips. Perfect. We got this bad boy out of there. That was a pain. And all I'm doing is taking these clips, pushing up on them to slide them out on each of them and just working your way around it real nice and smooth so that way you don't break any clips and everything can go back together perfectly. I ended up using this little hook piece, and what I was doing was going here, and you can see the clips. I would go right above the clip here and like here and pull up on it as I'm pulling it out. And that worked out perfectly. Sheesh, this thing looks good. Can't wait to clean this thing up, but when we get this car washed up. But let's go ahead and put these V-brace covers in. All right, we got one V-brace cover now. Let's go ahead and slide it in. And what I'm going to do is actually come from this side here, go over to the other side, and pop it over the top of it. That way I only have to take one of these off. There we go. So that side's on. All right, so I reached over, popped this one in on this side. Now I'm going to do this side. I'll show you guys. Pretty much get the bottom in, top in, and then push it into place. Rotate it till it's in a good spot. Now you're in. Now it's set up. Now let's go ahead and get our grill back in. Perfect. Give it a little tug, make sure nothing is loose. We're all good. Then let's get our top pieces back in. Now, one thing I never saw them mention in the videos before is when you slide the front bumper in, you want to make sure these clips are aligned. And I'm talking about these here. There's one here, one here, one here, and one there. You want to make sure that your bumper is sitting underneath those and that you push it all the way in. That's going to make sure when you put that back in that your bumper doesn't look like it's out of place. And now it's pretty much working in reverse order. Just push the bumper all the way in. Let's go ahead and line our thing up. Hand tighten it. And then on the back side of this, there's a little groove. You're just gonna push it into that little groove. You can see here, this line goes into this groove here. Bro, that looks so good. Let me show you guys real quick. You already know what the time for. Time for the montage. Let's go. What do you guys think of that, bro? I think it's looking so good. It sets the color scheme off. I mean, it's like I'm one of those guys, but I'm not one of those guys. You know what I mean? When you sort of see the car, it's not like obnoxiously orange, but it's like a clean, subtle orange. And that's exactly what I'm going for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Install, super easy. If I had to rate this install, like a 2 out of 10. Super simple, super easy to get it installed. Honestly, it just matters on how long it takes you to get those grills out. I'm gonna make sure I put all the links for this stuff down in the description below. I got these things off of Amazon. I think they were like maybe 30 bucks or something like that. Not very expensive, but it's a great way to upgrade your car. Honestly, if you don't want to spend a ton of money. Bro, look at how clean these look. They have them in all sorts of colors. They got them in like blue, red, white, all the different colors, bro. Check them out. I'll make sure I put the link down below. And honestly, there's so many different versions out there. Definitely check those out. I mean, these things look clean. Look at these things, bro. Look at how good that looks, bro. Very menacing when you're pulling up. I can already tell right now. And honestly, it's sort of giving my front end like the M2 vibe. Like it's really interesting with the mods that I've done so far. Like literally from this angle, check it out. Definitely getting M2 vibes here. Let me know in the comment section down below if I'm just bugging or I'm just super excited about the new mod. But it's been a while since we threw something new on the 440. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below because next video, it's another performance mod. I think it's time. I think it's time. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Chevy. We sign out with another video. Peace. Your boy almost forgot. We got to get Shorty's reaction to what it looks like. They're right here behind the grill. Take a look.
Oh.
What do you think?
That's awesome looking.
Looks good, right?
Yeah.
Like, it's subtle. Like, it's not a crazy orange, right? Like,
no, it's nice.
Yeah, like it looks really good. I hope it's coming through in the video pretty good for you guys, but it's very subtle, very clean.
It's fun.
I love the color. And yeah, it's like I said, it makes you look like one of those guys, but not one of those guys, if you know what I mean. Anyways, now we're really signing out with another video. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button down below. I'll put the links down there for you guys. Peace.
Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.